Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Raised bed gardening is one of the best methods for growing vigorous vegetables, herbs, and flowers. That's why we've created the new Black Gold Natural and Organic Raised Bed and Potting Mix for superior raised bed and container gardening. Raised beds make gardening easier. They allow for trouble-free weeding, harvest, and garden maintenance, but most of all, they make it easier to control soil depth and quality. Preparing your beds with a premium 100% organic raised bed soil like Black Gold Raised Bed and Potting Mix is soil quality insurance. This natural and organic mid-weight soil is rich in organic matter to facilitate good drainage and hold water well for strong root development in vegetables, fruits, herbs, and even flowers. Black Gold Natural and Organic Raised Bed and Potting Mix is made from professional quality organic ingredients, including Canadian sphagnum peat moss, earthworm castings, and organic fertilizer. It also contains Resilience, our silicon-enriched additive for enhanced plant growth and improved resistance to wilting. Whether you're creating a new raised bed or need to replenish the soil in your existing raised beds, choose our new Black Gold Natural and Organic Raised Bed and Potting Mix. There's no better way to grow your own successful, productive raised bed gardens this year. Black Gold All-Purpose Potting Mix is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.